Hi everyone, welcome to the final part of Power BI series. We shall be looking into Microsoft Power BI dashboards, which are different than the Power BI reports that we have been building before. Dashboards actually allow report consumers to create a single artifact of directed data that is personalized just for them. Dashboards can be comprised of pin visuals that are taken from different reports. A Power BI report uses data just from a single dataset, whereas the Power BI dashboards can contain visuals from different or multiple datasets. Going back to our Power BI service, we see here that we have our report and a single dataset. So if I click on reports here, so we have the school page and we have the statistics page. So now when you want to create a report, the easiest thing for you to do is just to go to the pin and click there. Once you click there, they will ask you if you want to add this particular visual to a dashboard. That is, if you already have some dashboard that you have created and you simply want to add the visual to them. Otherwise, they will give you the possibility of creating a new dashboard. You see here, existing dashboard is being grayed out because I don't have no dashboard in this workspace. So we're going to create a new dashboard. I'll call it school information. So I'll just click pin. So this is going to create a dashboard with that particular visual. So let us add now different visuals to that dashboard. I have my notification here asking me to go directly to the dashboard. So I'll just go to pin visual. Then this time I have the possibility of taking existing dashboards. Yes. Then let's go to statistics. Maybe pin the school population also. Pin existing dashboard. Yes. Okay, that's fine. So now we are just going to go to dashboards. And this takes us directly to our dashboard. So we can see here that we have our dashboard. It's like I pin number of teachers twice. So this is simply how you can build your dashboard in Power BI. So if I go back to the school information and under the all tab, you see here that you have a dashboard. That's why you have a type called dashboards. You have the school report and a data set. So directly from here, you could still decide to build your dashboard without going through the pin visual dashboard. So this brings us to the end of this Power BI series. And I'll keep updating this channel with additional information about how to do different things in Power BI, especially based on you as the subscriber on your comment, and maybe you tell me that there's a particular thing you want to see how to do it in Power BI. I'm going to show you that. I hope you guys have learned something from this entire series, because we actually started from scratch. That is, we took data from an Excel sheet, we did some cleaning, transformed the data, we did some modeling, we built reports, and then we finally learned how to share the data by moving our data now into our data and report into the Power BI series, whereby we added a user to our workspace and so forth. So at the basic level, I've given you a basic overview of how Power BI works. So I'll keep creating now different contents on different technologies. So stay tuned to my channel and you have a lot of knowledge to gain. Thank you guys very much for watching this series, and I am waiting on you guys in my next series. So please, if you have not subscribed, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and also on the notification so that you will be notified on my new and upcoming series. Thank you guys, and see you next time.